What's up, YouTube land? Your boy Christopher Ramirez here, coming at you with a review video on MyEcon. And before I dive into the video content, what I want you to do is go ahead and be sure to like this video. I would really appreciate it. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel around here somewhere, the subscribe button. Okay, so let's dive in. Alright, so you're going to be seeing me looking at my notes on my laptop just below this camera. Alright, so don't mind that. Alright, so what is MyEcon? Alright, well, MyEcon, it's a 10-year-old technology-driven company created by a small group of financial professionals to empower people like you and me to attaining financial success. Alright, MyEcon does this by helping people to increase their cash flow in numerous ways. All right, with their powerful personal financial system, success system. Let me phrase that: powerful personal financial success system. Okay, all right, including things like credit score restoration and numerous other products in their product line. Now, who is it for? Who is MyEcon for? MyEcon is for the person that truly does seek financial freedom, like network marketers, affiliate marketers, plus the average Joe's six-pack that seeks to repair their credit score and increase their cash flow, as I reiterate. How much does it cost? All right? How much does it cost? Well, there is an initial investment at the timestamp of this video of $129.95, and the average initial investment pretty much ranges from $99.95 to almost $200, $199.95. Then there's the monthly fee of $34.95 a month. Will it work for you? Okay, will it work for you? Okay, really, your results in any program like it depends on your work ethic and drive to make things happen. All right, now don't get me wrong. Some products out there are just upright scams, but MyEcon is a solid solution for average people and digital entrepreneurs alike. All right. So in my opinion, MyEcon is solid. I say it's solid. I give it a thumbs up. So you can give them a try if you want. Okay. Do make sure you sign up under the right people that are really grinding out and getting the results you want to get the ball rolling correctly. All right. Now that you made it to the end of this video, this far in the video, I wanted to share with you what I came across, guys. What I came across that is completely free to start, okay? Completely free to start and pays to your PayPal weekly. That link will be in the description, okay? It'll be in the comments more than likely too. So go ahead, click that link, put in your name and email. After that, fill out the form on the other side with your name, email, password, submit, confirm your account and your email. Log into your account and begin to watch the 5 steps, okay? Your 5 steps blueprint, all right? Most of all, take massive action, guys. Do take massive action, and be sure to reach out to me on Facebook for the free training with Facebook and YouTube marketing, all right, for the system I'm talking about via the link in the description. As I said again, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Peace.